A cute flamingo drawing step by step.
Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Cubs Art. Today we are going to draw a cute flamingo step by step. So grab your paper, pencil and colors and let's start drawing together. First let's start with the beak. Draw a curved beak. And color the tip black. Next, draw a small round head. Now draw a long slender curved neck going down. Now draw a big oval body for your flamingo. Add a tiny eye. Flamingos have very good eyesight to find food in water. Inside the body, draw a wing shape to show the feathers. Flamingos get their pink color from the food they eat, like algae and shrimp. Now draw two tall, thin legs. Flamingos have very long legs, so they can walk in shallow water. Scientists believe flamingos stand on one leg to save body heat. Bend the other leg so it looks like the flamingo is standing on one leg. Now it's time to color the flamingo. Color it with orange and pink shades. Color the beak tip black and legs yellow or pink. And our beautiful flamingo drawing is ready. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Creative Cubs Art for more fun and easy drawings. See you in the next video. Happy drawing!